Okay, part 2, doing underarms with HS, and this time we're going to use Golden Allure by Sexy Smooth Wax. Just giving you guys a few options, okay? There's so many waxes you can use. I would just recommend that you get waxes that are hypoallergenic, made for people with sensitive skin, fragrance-free if possible, stuff like that. So you also want wax that's going to dry fast because you want to get these services done really quickly. As you can see here, wax on, baby, wax off. She's already dry. We're just going to take her off and apply really good pressure. So definitely doing the thing. You want waxes where you don't have to go over the skin too many times. As you can see, that kind of look like a one and done, if you know what I mean. Don't forget the wax is still on sale, guys. Visit sexysmoothwax.com. And then when you're checking out for extra discount, use code July10. Is it July 10? No, July bulk 10 with a percentage sign. I put it up there. Y'all see it. All right, quick pull, pressure. Beautiful. And if you'd like to see an educational video on how to do a client who has HS on their bikini area, please let me know in the comments below. I'm going to wait till I get enough people that want to see it because I'm taking a risk posting it on TikTok. You know, they always trying to come for me, but we're going to keep it fully educational, and hopefully it can help some of you guys who are struggling with HS and you want to get wax and you're scared, or estheticians who would like to start servicing clients with HS and don't know where to start. Thanks for watching as always, and don't forget your pretty kitty and body oil. Bye, guys.